Let's make a colorful, tasty, healthy rice like this. A turmeric and vegetable rice. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's make this rice together for 3 guests. We need 3 tablespoons of olive oil onto a medium heat pan. Add finely chopped garlic 1 tablespoon. Finely chopped onion medium size. Saute for 2 minutes. Chili flakes half teaspoon. Give a quick stir. Carrot fine diced 1 each. Saute for 2 minutes. Broccoli small florets 1 cup. Saute 1 more minute. Red pepper half cup. Small diced. Corn kernels 1 cup. Saute 1 more minute. How to cook rice? It's there in my channel. Add cooked rice 5 cups. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Turmeric 1 tablespoon. Combine well. Fragrant, colorful rice. Turn off heat. Sprinkle some chili flakes 1 teaspoon onto a serving dish. Enjoy the colorful turmeric rice. The colorful turmeric vegetable rice. It's ready. So colorful, right? See? You can see in this small spoon you have all the vegetables, right? Carrots you can see, corn you can see, chili flakes you can see, broccoli you can see, and peppers you can see. So in every bite you will get all the flavors because we cut it small pieces. Let's try it. Very good. As I mentioned before, you get all the flavors, the crispiness from the carrot, sweetness from the corn, a hint of chili from chili flakes. So good. If you like this recipe, please try it and give me a support by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.